Hello everybody, thought I would just do a quick video here. We mentioned before about the case going on in Crystal Lake, Illinois between two elders who did not report a CSA pervo, and they knew about it and they did not report it, and this goes back to, I believe, 2006 if I remember correctly. Now, I want to thank the person, thank you, sweetie, so much for getting these court documents for us. I mean, we appreciate your help so much. I tried, going to the court, and like you said, their website is not very, user-friendly. And so I appreciate you taking the time, effort, energy, and money, to get these documents for us. Very much appreciated, and I'm sure the XJW community thanks you as well. Now, I'm going to put a link down below to the court documents, and as I get more, I will add them to the list, and I'm trying to put it by the date of the document. And now these two elders, the court case for Pinkava is coming up March 17th. I'm not sure when Scott's case is going to be coming up. I haven't even had a chance to look at that one. Now it's interesting because we know Watchtower will throw these elders under the bus. And I hope you elders, especially you PMO elders, realize this. They will throw you under the bus. Now it's interesting, in these court documents that I am reading, especially the one dated March 1st, he's turning it back on Watchtower. He's flipping the script and making it their fault. So they're blaming one another. And our friend that sent me the document, she made some really good points. So I'm just going to read what she wrote me. In my view, now, she does have a legal background. I am not a lawyer, but she has a legal background. Pinkava may plead that he got bad legal advice from the mothership, but Pinkava and Scott both had the personal choice of whether or not to follow that advice. And you're absolutely right. Does this come under a conscience matter? The first line in my formal disassociation letter that I actually put in a box so someone would read it was, a religious person will do what he or she is told, no matter if it is right. Now, when you read this legal document dated March 1st, this is exactly what they're trying to say. Oh, well, I was given bad legal advice from Watchtower, so I didn't know any better. But a spiritual person will do what is right, no matter what he or she is told. And that's what Mike and I keep saying. You don't need a book to tell you what is right and what is wrong. You don't need a government to tell you what is right and what is wrong. You don't need a religion to tell you what is right and what is wrong. We have that right in our DNA. And it seems that these elders are religious people. Exactly. They're company, corporation men. They will do what the corporation tells them until they get in trouble, and then they want to say, oh, it's not my fault. I was given bad advice. But I wanted to read this from this March 1st document. And page 1. Motion in limine number 1, testimony regarding advice of counsel. I'm not going to say the full name. Defendant Pinkava is a retired blank elementary school teacher who has and continues to serve as an elder in the Jehovah's Witness Church in Crystal Lake, Illinois. As an elder, he participated from time to time in the clergy penitent process proscribed by the Jehovah's Witness faith, including a matter involving sexual misconduct by Pedraza. I'm not going to say his full name either. During that clergy penitent process with Pedraza, various complicated legal issues arose, including resolution of the conflict between the clergy penitent privilege found, and they give the Illinois statute, which relieves any reporting requirement in the Illinois law otherwise requiring mandated reporting of sexual misconduct. When that conflict of law arose, Pinkava sought the legal advice of legal counsel with Jehovah's Witnesses at their national headquarters in New York State. Pinkava was told by a licensed attorney he had no legal obligations under the Illinois law to disclose any information. Pinkava is prepared to waive his attorney-client privilege at the upcoming bench trial as to his conversations with New York counsel, and seeks an advance ruling that he may testify to what he was told regarding what, if any, legal obligation he had to report information to law enforcement. This testimony is reasonable and relevant to an affirmative defense of advice of counsel. And then they have the statutory for Illinois that, ignorance or mistake. Now, in the latest document filed with the court, it appears they're trying to get the Watchtower lawyer in a Zoom testimony for the court. Now, another interesting thing is the perpetrator, who's in prison right now. It looks like they have filed the documents to get him taken from prison to the court to testify on March 17th, St. Patty's Day. Hey, I hope you elders have your 4-leaf clover, because you're going to need it. And I mean, this is sickening and so infuriating, especially when in the Watchtower they lie to the rank and file and say that they report these abuse cases. What a bunch of liars. And now they're fighting to try to get out of it because they were caught not reporting it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So I want to thank everybody so much for everything you have done, your cards, your gifts, very much appreciated. And also, thank you, sweetie, for getting these court documents, and I appreciate your comments on this, and I'm going to put the link down below. These are public documents available to the public. Anybody can go to the court and get these. And the county court, it is the 22nd Judicial Circuit Court of McHenry County, Illinois. And so, like I said, I'm going to put the link down below. So thank you so much for watching, everybody, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.